Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko Fastener Kit, their 4133G. This is a fastener kit that would be used on their 4131 series automatic door bottoms. And it's the kit that's going to include the end plates. It will include the screw for the jamb, assuming you have a wood frame, and then the screws to attach the unit to the door. The end plates are, of course, different by the fact that one has a preparation for the hinge side with the ability to have the drop bolt or adjusting bolt come through that unit. Those two smaller holes are for the very small little screws that are included, quite tiny screws. Could even guess what size those are. Who knows, a number 3, I don't know, very small. You're also going to get that screw for the jamb I had mentioned. This screw is what gets installed to the wood frame so that when the door closes, the projecting bolt doesn't create a divot in your wood frame. You want the head of that bolt to hit the head of that screw, and you'll countersink that ever so slightly. Obviously pre-drill it nice and neat exactly where you need it. And then you'll get the fasteners for attaching the unit to the door. There are 4 included. I would imagine that you'll use all 4 of them, with the exception of very possibly having an incredibly small or thin door. I would think you may not use it in that sort of case. Now, people will, we don't sell fastener kits often, but we do sell them, and that is just quite simply because, you know, they're either lost or they're removed from the door because they are painting the door and the material is never retrieved, it's thrown out. People might be changing the finish, or the finish may have degraded over time, so they're just looking for the fastener kit only. I can think of no other reason why someone might buy this fastener kit if you're not trying to attach the material to you know, to a Pemko 4131 series door bottom. Now there is a link below this video, as I put everything back in the bag, to the manufacturer's page, which will allow you to review not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name Pemko is thoroughly synonymous with weather stripping as it pertains to commercial and residential applications. Every weather stripping manufacturer has a strong suit, something they're better at than most other people. What Pemko is best at is the fact that they have such an incredibly broad spectrum of available products. Nobody has more part numbers than Pemko does. The translation there is that lots of potential solutions for you to choose from. I would certainly recommend, I would certainly mention as their strong suit their customer service. That's exceptional. Very invested people. Your success is their success. They behave like they're partners on the project. Very, very good people at Pemko. Any questions on the 4133G fastener kit or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.